Artificial intelligence is changing the way industries function. From healthcare to finance, and from marketing to car manufacturing, AI is making a significant impact. In healthcare, artificial intelligence is being used to diagnose diseases and predict potential health risks. AI algorithms are trained on vast amounts of medical data to identify patterns and make accurate predictions. AI-powered tools can analyze images and X-rays to diagnose conditions like cancer, and can even predict potential health risks for people based on their lifestyle and medical history. The financial industry is also benefiting from AI. Artificial intelligence algorithms are used to analyze vast amounts of financial data and predict the stock market and other financial trends. AI is also being used to detect and prevent financial fraud, and to manage and invest money more efficiently. In the marketing industry, AI is being used to analyze vast amounts of customer data and predict their behavior. AI-powered tools can analyze customer behavior patterns to determine what they can buy and when. This information may be used to create targeted marketing campaigns and provide a more personalized shopping experience for customers. The automotive industry is also harnessing the power of AI. Artificial intelligence algorithms are being used to improve the design and manufacture of cars, as well as to make them safer. AI-enabled self-driving cars are being developed and tested to reduce human-caused accidents. AI is also being used to improve the fuel efficiency of vehicles and improve the efficiency of the manufacturing process. In conclusion, we can say that AI is changing the rules of the game in many industries. With the ability to analyze vast amounts of data and make accurate predictions, AI is changing the way businesses operate and helping them stay competitive in today's rapidly changing digital world. As AI continues to evolve, it is likely that we will see even more interesting and innovative applications of this technology in the future.